Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make fried chicken curry or varattaracha chicken curry. Let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. Let's add everything into the chicken. Now let's mix it together so that all the spices and the yogurt gets mixed with the chicken. Now let's cover it up and keep it inside the fridge for an hour. I have marinated my chicken for 1 hour. I kept a pan for heating. To this I'm going to add in the oil. And we are going to shallow fry the chicken. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken. Make sure to cook the chicken on both the sides, and we are going to cook the chicken to 80%. Now I have cooked my chicken on all the sides and my chicken is ready. Now cook the remaining chicken in the same process. To the same oil, I'm going to add the whole spices. Then we are going to add the cashew nuts. We are going to add the onions. We are going to add ginger garlic paste. We are going to add the tomatoes and the curry leaves. After a few minutes of sauteing, I'm going to add the chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and mix it well. After a few minutes, I'm going to add in the capsicum or bell pepper, the coriander leaves, the green chilies, and the pudina leaves or mint leaves. Mix it well. Add a little bit of water and cover and mix it, and then cover and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to turn off the stove and let it cool down, and then we are going to blend this mixture. Now I am going to blend the mixture. Make sure you cool it down completely before blending it. Now I have finished blending the mixture, and we are going to pour it into the pan. To this I'm going to add the water. Next step, we are going to add the chicken, and you can adjust the salt at this time. Add garam masala and cover and cook it on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Now you can turn off the stove and your delicious fried chicken curry or varataracha chicken curry is ready now. Let's serve it. Now let's try the chicken. It's so good and tasty. The fried chicken with that cashew nut paste and the coriander. It's a mind-blowing sensation in your mouth. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments, please put it on the comment box and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.